Grow and learn. The seed pod. You get your seed, you get your cocoa bean, and in here you get this QR sticker that's located on the side over here. Let's open up the app, Grow and Learn. As the app opens up for the iOS device, as well as the Mini, it needs to access your camera. It's going to ask you about notifications. Grow and learn. Enjoy fun activities and learn about your seeds while you watch them grow. Bring it to life. You can skip this at any given time. Let's start. They would like to send you notifications. Skip. You're going to find the iceberg lettuce and scan. Since this is not iceberg lettuce, it's actually scallions, you're going to scan. It finds the scallion. Over here, there is an area to press. It gives you the growth, recipes, information. If you want to play a game, hit game. Related to the onion, has more calcium than milk. You press the two that match. So here is the iceberg lettuce. It's about 4 weeks old. It has grown pretty tall. It's got a new leaf coming out. Eventually this will get really big in about 8 weeks of time. So if you're looking to have fun with Grow and Learn from stopandshop.com/Grow and Learn, check them out. A very enjoyable summer's project. Have a great day and thank you for viewing. From seed to plants, no matter what you do, Grow and Learn. Always a fun project. Scallions up to date. Have fun doing your projects with Grow and Learn.